Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So if you're looking to make some really delicious sandwiches or maybe some hamburgers or hot wings and you're wanting to use it on a commercial panini press, I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called VEVOR here, and it is absolutely perfect for making great paninis. So as you can see, it's got an all stainless steel housing here. It is an 1800 watt powered panini press. This thing can do it all. So first off, you'll notice the handle here. It's got a nice thick plastic on here. This is gonna keep you obviously from burning your hands. Once you open it up, now you're gonna see it has the nice enamel, basically grill here, if you will. You've got the ribs here to get that nice texture on the top of your sandwich, and then you've got the smooth part here on the bottom. This is designed with a non-stick kind of surface, and it's going to come with 2 scrubbing pads and also some brushes, so that way you can keep it nice and clean. There doesn't disconnect or anything like that to throw in the dishwasher. It's all hand wash, if you will. Now it does have a removable oil tray. I also find this helpful because when I clean it, you get the soap here and the water will go in here, which makes it nice and clean. But why this is so cool is, first off, you got tons of control options. So you'll have an easy to use dial here right at the front. This is going to be able to adjust your temperature setting from 122 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. So like I said, I like to use it for paninis. It works very, very well. You can also cook a burger on this thing. You can cook wings. You can cook pretty much anything because it's like a flat griddle with the little ridges. And it is even heated. Like all this, you're not going to have like cold spots. It is consistently evenly hot, which I really, really like, both on the top and the bottom. So you're cooking things at the same time, which makes cooking a lot faster. For example, a panini, I'm done with it by 10 minutes easily, and that's set around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, if you will. But yeah, very, very easy, very heat resistant handle. It is heavy. It's really, really industrial made, so it's great. Now there is a little power button here that's gonna allow you to turn it on. It just plugs into a standard electrical outlet. And then there is a little light here that's gonna let you know then the surface has gotten to the temperature that you want. Now to give you an idea of the overall size, so naturally your actual cooking surface itself is about 8 3/4 inches wide and about 9 inches in depth. You can easily fit 2 sandwiches on here. If you're doing like small burgers, you can get 4 of them on here. So you got plenty of room as far as cooking. And then the whole unit itself is about 15 3/4 inches wide. It's about 12 inches in depth, and it's about 8 1/4 inches in height. But overall, it is a great little panini press. If you enjoy having paninis or you're looking for something to cook around the house, this thing is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.